Then Exxaro finally. So we said earlier this one is in the business of coal, local sales to Eskom, as well as exports via Richards Bay. Coal prices are at about $50 a tonne. He's also got a significant interest in the Sishen Iron Ore mine, which is the operating company that is in Kumba. So that's earned them big dividend flows over time, and then it didn't make them any money, and now it's making them money again. Market cap 33 billion rand, price to earnings ratio 7.84, dividend yield 4.75. I mean, anything to do with Eskom makes one feel a bit uncomfortable.
A little bit uncomfortable, but this lot should be clean. 70% of their coal goes to Eskom, and that's one of the characteristics of Exxaro, is that that's almost a cost plus type of arrangement. So you get your return on capital and it's stable.
And it's the new collieries like Grootgeluk that are supplying Medupi, and then also the older ones that are in the Middelburg area.
So that's actually quite a nice, it's not an exciting business,
costs,
but it's quite a nice business to actually be in. Then the 30% of coal, and obviously via the Kumba Iron Ore, the Sishen holding, that's hugely volatile, but at the moment it is printing money. Even though iron ore was 30, 90, 60, it's still printing money at 60, making huge returns at 60.
Coal prices for the export coal, we were looking at that. That at some point was higher, now it's come down. It's sort of done what oil has done. In other words, it was sort of 120, now it's around 50, and it sort of feels like it's there or thereabouts.
Coal, can't get terrible. There's no shortage of coal worldwide. There's no, it's not a strategic
one does
asset.
just sense at the margin that coal-fired power generation is sort of like seen as yesterday's technology, and even though people can't quite get themselves to embrace the alternatives, and there's renewables and things that's coming along.
Look,
coal just feels like it's in runoff.
Renewables have still got a long way to go to replace what's called baseload stations, either coal or nuclear. So renewables can work, and if you the prices are coming down, and a lot of people argue that the price is comparative, and it may be, I don't know, I've heard so many numbers, but the volume is different. I mean, these baseload stations are massive and they produce electricity.
But like in the South African case, one might expect
we've got
the new coal, we've got the new stations, and everything is going to continue, so that will keep these guys in business.
That's relatively stable.
Let's look at the share price. So it's got the same shape with the same recovery.
Got the same shape,
But now, going forward,
even
with the iron ore
surge, I'd rather get it via anglers.
Okay, good. So I think we'll pass on that one. Exxaro not hot, but I think we understand the context.